Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and you are going to love this home at 19 Balgownie Road, Ferry Meadow. I believe that Ferry Meadow is one of the best suburbs in Wollongong. Why? Well, Ferry Meadow Shopping Centre has everything you could ask for, wonderful boutiques, all the major supermarkets, terrific restaurants and superb coffee shops. These are just some of the reasons why I love Ferry Meadow. On top of this home has been in the family for almost 50 years. Now that is saying something. The owner has loved the convenience of the location, and this full brick residence has been lovingly cared for and in great condition. You will enjoy the generous living areas, deck off the rear of the home where you can entertain friends and family. All tradesmen will be jealous of the oversized garaging and double carport. So if you are looking for your first home or want to right size into a place which is single level and a short walk to everything, then this is for you. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you at one of my opens, and bye for now.